In the last video, we talked about dust on your lens or your sensor and how easy it is to fix. But what about images that look like this? This is another situation where you might be wondering, what exactly am I seeing here? In this case, it's just a fingerprint. It happens all the time. Just grabbing your lens out of the bag, maybe grabbing it from your hip when you're wearing it on a strap. Maybe some kids that you're photographing want to touch the lens. They always seem to want to do that for some reason. Looking at these images, if you're not seeing it right away, that's kind of the point. It's not as obvious and in your face as a spot of dust is. It just kind of quietly ruins your contrast. But when you're shooting a brighter scene like this, especially with some darker detail in your foreground, it's when you really start to notice it. Now these two images aren't taken with the same lens, but they're the same scene, and you can generally see how the scene is supposed to look with and without a fingerprint. So, if you've never cleaned your lens before, this is how I personally do it. And I actually don't do this too often. Things like simple dust can just be blown away, but things like fingerprints don't come off quite so easy. For years, I've just used this simple lens cleaning liquid and paper. It works great, and of course there are lots of options out there. I'm personally not a fan of things like lens pens, but that's just me. So first, we're going to use a blower to remove any dust, and this part is very important. Then we're going to take a couple of these cleaning papers, and I bunch them up like this. We add maybe 2 small drops of this lens cleaning liquid to the paper, not directly to the lens. And then we just wipe it in a circular motion, starting from the center and working our way out towards the edge. If you don't think you got it all, you can of course do that once more. Usually once is enough for me. It's kind of tricky doing this on camera right now, but that's all there is to it. It only takes a few seconds, and now you're good to go. So if you've noticed something weird going on with your images, hopefully this video or the dust video could help to clear it up. Literally. Thanks for watching.